I am Dr. Hemant Pathak. I am a senior urologist with Lilavati Hospital and Research Center for last 20 years, a part of transplant program for last 30 years. Regarding COVID and the surgeries which we are offering our patients in Lilavati Hospital, barring few weeks in month of April, we have been conducting regular OPDs in Lilavati Hospital, which include all the patients of a stone, prostate, cancers of the kidney, cancers of the urinary bladder and cancers of the prostate. So presently we are doing surgeries on a regular basis in Lilavati Hospital, and patients have had a very good outcome pre-operatively and post-operatively, where as far as the patient satisfaction, patient safety and patient outcome is concerned, they have done same as the pre-COVID area. Presently the outpatient attendance has increased considerably and is nearly about 50 to 60% of the pre-COVID time. Surgeries also we are doing the same. And regarding transplant, we did a cadaver transplant 2 weeks back. So the donor was a young brain dead child and their parents consented to donate his organs. So we did a kidney transplant. The recipient was a 60-year-old lady who was on dialysis for last 6 to 7 years, and the outcome of the transplant has been very good. In fact, she is on her way for discharge. So this has given a big boost to our transplant program so that we can now start our planned transplant surgeries in short while. So to sum up, I would encourage all our patients to start attending our OPDs as they were doing before, and also patients who are on dialysis or are waiting for transplant, come and enroll themselves in Lilavati Hospital. Thank you very much.
Dear friends, good afternoon. I am Dr. Hemant Mehta, working as a nephrologist, transplant physician and interventional nephrologist at Lilavati Hospital since its inception in 1996, and prior to that in private practice since 1990. After having left KEM Hospital as a lecturer in nephrology. At Lilavati, during this COVID pandemic, we have had a system in place to segregate patients, screen them by forming what is called as a tent area, followed by a triage area. So everybody and anybody who would want to come in have to be screened in the tent area so that the entry of suspect COVID individuals could be avoided, and giving safety to all other staff and patients and their relatives who are already inside the hospital. After initial resistance from the part of the patient to come into the hospital because they knew that there are COVID positive areas also in this hospital, and after our convincing them that look, the areas are totally segregated, the COVID ICU, the COVID ward has separate entry and exit, and they don't come into contact with non-COVID areas and non-COVID wards and non-COVID patients and relatives. Slowly and steadily they started getting convinced. So all our patients of nephrology having problem like kidney failure, urinary tract infection or some other problems related to the kidney started visiting in. As I said, because of this interventional nephrology, there were patients who had dialysis excess issues either in the form of infection or malfunctioning of vascular access, or those who were wanting to start dialysis also started coming in. And then over a period of time, with proper care, segregation, safety measures in place for non-COVID patients, we had performed a kidney transplant about 2 weeks ago from a kidney which was donated by parents of a 23-year-old young man, and the recipient is now doing well, and she is almost going to be discharged in a day or two. Me and Dr. Pathak have been working as a team. We know each other again for more than 30 years since our KM days, and we have been doing transplants together at Lilavati again from the beginning and with excellent results. So if there are any nephrology or urological problems and one wants to have consultation, please do not hesitate. You can visit hospital safely. The COVID fear should not exist and prevent you from getting into a proper medical care. Thank you very much.